Welcome back, everybody, to the Oscars. We now have our final award of the night for Molecule Hero of the Year. Here are our nominations. First up, we have ibuprofen with a stellar year. Next, we have codeine with a very underrated story. And lastly, we have a longtime favorite, aspirin. And the Oscar goes to codeine. Let's take a look back on codeine's year so far.
Codeine was created in 1832 by MOY while trying to find a better way to extract morphine from the poppy seed. The molecular formula is C18H21NO3, and the weight is 299.4 grams per mole. Here's a picture of the molecule. You can see the molecule contains a benzene ring, 5 oxygen carbon bonds, and 3 nitrogen carbon bonds. It typically comes in a solid with a melting point of 155 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 250 degrees Celsius. It's a white powder or crystal and is soluble in water less than 1 milligram per milliliter at 21.1 degrees Celsius. Codeine effloresces slowly in air and is affected by light. In simpler terms, the molecule comes in a crystal form, however in air it loses its water molecules and transforms into a powder. When exposed to light, the molecules tend to decompose and degrade. The molecule has an enantiomer in L-codeine. L-codeine has the same benefits as codeine, and the pharmaceutical forms of codeine have a mixture of both enantiomers. Other molecules in the polyoxalic alkaloid class that perform similar functions are tramadol, tapentadol, and oral morphine. Codeine serves as a miracle drug for some. It contains antitussive and antidiarrheal properties and also serves as a painkiller. Codeine is commonly found in prescription cough syrups. However, codeine misuse has increased drastically. In large quantities of the drug, it can cause a pleasurable euphoric sensation and have some drawbacks. This molecule can become addictive and contain a lot of side effects. Some side effects of heavy codeine use are depression, dizziness, vomiting, and lack of appetite. Codeine is also a teratogenic, which means it can give fetuses disorders. Some fetuses have experienced tremors, vomiting, hyperflexia, and diarrhea. However, codeine gets a bad rap from being in the opioid family. It isn't nearly as addictive or harmful as fentanyl, morphine, and oxycodone. Codeine is only responsible for 212 out of the 68,630 overdose deaths in 2020. Codeine can be purchased via prescription in the US, and in the UK, it can be purchased over the counter. Large amounts of codeine can be bought from drug dealers as well. To wrap it up, codeine does a lot of great things for the world, but ends up getting overshadowed by its misuse. Congratulations on Molecule Hero of the Year. Thank you all for watching my video. Here are the references and sources that I used. Thank you all. Have a nice day.